this corner. You've seen me do drywall corners before, and I showed you how they all go together, but I just wanted to show you this. I ran this piece, and when I got to the end, this piece was completely square. It was a square corner just like that, and I ran it to the end. Then I put this little piece on, and when I put that little piece on, I cut the bottom like this, just like this, so it ran at an angle, so it didn't build up too much here. But this side is completely square. So this is square, this is square. So now I'm putting my last final piece on, and I've already cut the piece, it's ready to go, and it's gonna go on just like this. And again, I 45 those back so I don't have too much of a buildup here. And now I'm gonna put this piece on. And most of these went on with a hopper, and I'm gonna show you right on this video how we put the corner bead on with a hopper. But with these little pieces, I just gotta mud them in by hand. That's all I do. Because they are small, that doesn't go through a hopper, and so there you have it. And it's a beautiful, beautiful corner right now. So when this all dries and it gets hard, it's gonna mud in very nicely. It's a beautifully square corner. It's not sticking down at all. It's gonna work out just well. So it speaks for itself. All right, we're starting to run the hopper here. So let me show you how simple this is. Go ahead. And now, that's going to go right there. Whoops, it says I'm panning too fast. And now let me grab it. And your hands are all muddy yet?
Yeah.
Still? Okay.
Yeah.
Hang on. Stick it up there. Okay. Then grab the shorter one that's behind you. Yep. And you know where that goes?
Right here.
Yep.
And then the clip side goes to right here, right?
That'll work, yep. That's perfect. Did it make it? Perfect.
Yep.
And then the long one. That's it. She has never put corner bead on before, ever. And that's how simple it is to do with this hopper and this tape on corner bead. But now it has to be rolled. That's what the roller's for. So we make sure that it's all tight and done with the roller. And it just kind of forms itself right into where it belongs, all the way back and forth. This looks really good, really good. Really good. This has to get pushed up a little. And you gotta make sure that the corners line up here too. So if they're not lining up, you're gonna have a problem with your mud. So this one is tweaked a little bit, but you'd be tweaked a little bit too if you were as old as this house. So that's it. And then I just wipe this down like this. And the corner bead's done. There was a lot of corner bead in this house, in this basement. I don't know, we had 20, 30 plus pieces of corner bead, if not more. There was a lot of corner bead down here, a lot of soffit. And it's all done right now. So you guys, again, this is my niece, and I'm just showing her how to do some. She's here to help me because there's a lot of work in here, and I needed some help with some labor work and things. But it's just that simple, you guys. Have a great day. Hey, if you really like the videos, subscribe. And if you really, really like the videos, please just share them with somebody else. All right, you guys have a great day.